morning students, I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to start up with the math series for the class 7. This is chapter 1, integers. So firstly we will discuss what exactly are integers. Let us start with the natural numbers. If I say counting, what comes to your mind? It's just the simple counting 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Fine. So there is one thing which is missing in this, that is 0. So 1 to infinity are called natural numbers, and if include 0 in them, then they become the whole numbers. Now there are many examples in our daily life, like if I say the temperature of Srinagar has become -1, the temperature of Switzerland is -14, but this number is not going to be included in whole number. That means there are some other numbers which we must also include and study. These comes under integers. So what are integers? Integers are the positive and negative whole numbers including 0. So these are the positive 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, negative -1, -2, -3 up to infinity including 0. These are the integers. All the positive and the negative numbers including 0 are called integers. Fine. So these are the basic property, and the value of integers increases when we go from left to right. That means the numbers which are on the left hand side are small, while the numbers on the right hand side are big. Now let's take addition in the integer, how we are going to add the integers. Now in this we have two cases. One, integers with same sign. For example, if I take 2 and 5, these both of them have the same sign, both of them are positive. So if we are going to add them, they will be 7. So if we are adding them, that means if both the integers are of same sign, in that case we are going to add their digit value. So it is 2 and 5. Fine. If they are negative, -2 and -7, in that case we are going to add them also, but the sign of the answer will be as that of your addends. That is, both were negative, so answer will also be negative. So same sign we are going to sum. सेम साइन है तो हम दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, सम करेंगे. फाइन. और जो आंसर है उसका साइन भी वही होगा जो एडेंड्स का होगा. इन द डिफरेंट, इफ द इंटीजर्स हैव डिफरेंट साइन, फॉर एग्जांपल -2 and 5 or -5 and 2. We are taking these two examples. Now -2 and 5. In this case different is difference. Difference is subtraction. Subtract. Fine. So in this we are going to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So that means 5 minus 2 is 3. Now what about the sign? The sign of bigger number will be the sign of the answer. Here 5 is big, so sign will be positive. In this -5 and 2, their signs are different. 5 is negative and 2 is positive. So their signs are different. So what we will do? We will subtract them. This is 3. Now which one is bigger number? 5 and 2, 5. So the answer will be negative only. Right? Now next comes is properties. First property of addition. Here we are talking about the property of addition of integers. So first property is closure. That means if we add two integers, the answer will be a integer. For example, if I add 2 plus 3, the answer is also a integer. 5 is an integer. Commutative property. If we add two numbers in any order, the answer will remain the same. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then comes associative number property. Here we are taking three things. If we are adding like this or we are adding like this, the answer will be, if we add a plus b then c, or b plus b is c then a, the answer will be the same. Identity is the number which should be added into the integer so that its value remain the same, that is 0. So additive identity is 0. Thank you.